In this video from Device Doctor, we'll show you how to safely replace the HP ProBook 640G8 screen step by step.
Hey, are you still spending your money at repair shops? Join Device Doctor and learn how to fix your laptop and desktop yourself and enjoy the savings.
First, remove the front screen cover that holds the display firmly. It is very easy and you can remove it with your hands. If you cannot remove it easily, use a flat screwdriver and gently open it so the cover does not break. To remove the screen from the laptop body, gently pull out the adhesive strips. In newer models, a sticky adhesive is used to hold the screen in place instead of screws. There are adhesive strips on the four corners of the screen. You must remove them slowly and carefully. If you pull them with force, you may run into problems. Now that the adhesive strips on all four sides are removed, you can easily separate the screen. Do not try to remove the screen without pulling out the adhesive strips first, because they are very strong. Now you can easily disconnect the screen connector. Now you can connect the new screen to the computer's motherboard. It is that simple. Just note that you do not need new adhesive to secure the screen, because the original adhesive is not easy to find. Thanks for watching this video from Device Doctor. Stay tuned for more step-by-step laptop repair and upgrade tutorials.